itong tres lang breakers ha. Face up, may window, 5 and 4. Just like that, saktong-sakto para sa 4 on the side pocket. Ako, butas-butas na. Yung 5, 4 to the side at yung 5 sa ating lower right corner pocket. So, eto na guys ang pagkakataon ni Banyares. So medyo nalagay talaga sa alanganin itong 6 option here. We go for a 6-8 combination. Or lulusot kaya itong 6 So went for a 6-8 combo. 6 on the lower left pocket, 3 balls left. Hindi pa ganun kasarap ang tira on that 6 going to the 9. Here we go, 2 balls left for Banyares. Down goes the 10. We have a champion ng ating BDS.